Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm gonna do a little get ready with me. I really haven't filmed a solid makeup tutorial in a minute, and I really didn't have anything in mind today, so because I am gonna film, I do have to put on makeup, so I figured we would do this. This video may literally never see the light of day, but this is what we're gonna do for right now. So I'm just gonna kind of get into it, talk to you guys while I do it. I think that's my biggest problem with get ready with me is I'm like, what do I talk to you but truly to myself about? You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. If you've never seen this cup before, it's absolutely hilarious. My friend Cassandra got it for me a couple Christmases ago. It's literally one of my favorite little cups. I think it's so funny. So for today, I'm going to go in with my Fenty and Milk primers. I've been trying out some stuff from Milani. I have filmed a video of full face using their brand, and so I want to give my skin a break. Alright, and then I'm just going to go in with my CoverFx Power Play Foundation. I really have been enjoying this, you guys. I really thought when I bought it that I would like totally hate it. But I'm pretty sure that ended up in my 2019 like favorites video, so I mean, if that tells you anything, hopefully it'll cover up my new friends. Oh, he is just so angry. Oh my god, I've never looked so pale in my life. Okay, so next I'm gonna try and bronze up the skin. So I've got this Revlon pressed contour powder, and this is in the shade No Clue. I won this in a giveaway from Elena Jenkins, and so I've tried it once. I'm going to use it again today just to see kind of how it goes. I threw it on one day when I was just kind of like doing makeup real quick, so I want to see like how it actually looks on my skin tone, if it's meant for a contour for me. Ooh, she's dark. Oh, she is warm. Okay, well, we're going to bronze and contour with it because I think this may be a little too warm for a contour for me. If you can tell, it looks kind of a little orangey. She's pigmented though. Oh my, yep. This could turn into like the worst makeup we've ever seen if I'm not careful. I am apparently meant to struggle today. Do you ever have those days where like your makeup's like, yeah girl, you thought, but it's not happening? I hope not. I gotta get some videos filmed. I will say that it does blend out like really nice. I'm gonna have to do something about this side, but we'll figure that out in a minute. But like this side, that's really even and quite pretty. Okay, so I definitely don't think it looks bad. I think this side is like really pretty and really smooth actually, and all around my forehead. This side was a little bit too much, but I think I went in a little too heavy-handed at first, and I think the color looks a little overwhelming because I look much fairer than normal right now, which I think is quite hilarious. I'm gonna kind of bring it in on my cheeks as well. Almost if it was also like a little bit of blush. But I'm not mad at this, honestly. I'm going to keep it and keep messing around with it and see if I can kind of figure out a better way to make it work for me. If you guys have tried this, let me know, because as you can see, like I look a little light. What I think I'm also going to do is take my Hoola bronzer just a little bit and my old school Ita brush, which, oh my god, haven't used in forever. This brush does not shed. Like I have had this brush since, oh my god, well before I started YouTube. This used to be the brush to contour with, ladies and gentlemen. Whew, this was it. I remember this was the first expensive brush I ever bought. I think it was like 50 something dollars, and I kept my eye on it, and I saved up and I saved up, and when I bought this thing and used it, I was like, oh, I am hot shit. Like, look at me and my expensive ass brush, and we're out here doing the damn thing. Like, the big thing was because you could hit that nose contour like that, you know what I'm saying? I ain't done a good nose contour in a while. I gotta get back on that. But oh my gosh, you guys, this brush, I couldn't believe I spent this much money on it. And now There are literally brushes like 10 times more expensive that are all the rage. Just kills me. Okay, so I'm going to use my Dose of Colors Desi and Katy Friendcation palette. Yo, you guys. Me and this palette, you can see like I have loved up on her. I love this palette, you guys. So I'm going to go with this today. And I'm just going to start off with my old school Sigma E40, the best brush on the face of this earth that is no longer made this way. Nobody respects me over at Sigma, and they just changed it on us. So the first two shades that I'm going to go in with are this one and this one right here. Sometimes if I want to take more time, like I'll do them individually, but I don't want to do that today. So I'm just going to start putting this as a transition shade. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm like, you know, can talk a little bit while I do this versus like putting on all my other face makeup. How is your January going? I don't know that you'll be seeing this in January, but January is when I'm filming it. If you want to know, to be exact, it is January 19th. Maybe I'll have it up before this month passes. I've got quite a few videos on backlog, like waiting to go up right now. Last weekend, I literally filmed 4 videos and I edited 2 that same day. So I was hustling. I don't know if that's going to happen today as well, but what's happening with you guys? I want to know. As for me, if you care, I'll tell you, but it's just me talking to myself here. So for me, I am hustling along at work. That's, you know, just what happens. You guys know that I have a regular 8 to 5, Monday through Friday job, so I do that. I have been going out a little bit more, not with men, ha ha ha, that's a joke, but with some of my friends. You know, I got into a really weird rut where like filming was taking up a lot of my time and then my actual job, and I like wasn't going off. And I don't mean like going out and like going to clubs and getting crazy, but like taking some time and like going out and having a nice dinner, maybe going to sit at a bar and have a few drinks and just kind of like hang out and spend time, you know, with like people instead of just myself and like always working. Because even though I don't get paid for YouTube, you guys know YouTube is work. So like filming, editing, uploading, replying to comments, doing all that stuff, it just takes time. And I got into a rut that like literally that's all I was doing. Like I was filming on the weekends because that's my time to film. Like I can't do it during the weekday right now, you know. So I'd film during the weekends, I'd go to work during the week, and on the weeknights I would come in and I would every day, I mean, answer comments or go watch your videos and talk to you guys on your channels because I want to stay as up to date as possible. And so if I'm a little bit behind, do know that I am coming. You know, I go to the gym after work as well, so I watch a lot of your videos when I'm at the gym, which is absolutely hilarious actually, because you guys are so freaking funny. And so then I'll be like I always watch you guys when I'm doing my cardio, so I'll be like on the machine of some sort doing something, and all of a sudden I literally just start laughing. And because, you know, I'm kind of huffing and puffing, it's really funny, and the people all around me are always like, and I'm just like, don't worry. But so I spend a lot of time watching your guys' videos at the gym, which is great. So thank you so much for being my, you know, cardio entertainment you guys make working out a little bit less painful, honestly. Yeah, but other than that, for me, I guess, you know, I'm really working on my fitness journey right now, as you guys learned in my Gymshark haul video. Which, side note, thank you guys for so much love on that video. First of all, any of you that have commented on that video, you were so nice. You know, I wasn't looking for people to talk about my body, you know, in any way technically for that video, but you guys were very, very sweet and just very engaged in that video. Thank you. It's doing way better than I anticipated it doing. So, I mean, I am very appreciative for that. I'm glad that I can be, you know, honest and give you guys good feedback on stuff, and that, you know, the people that watch my videos are freaking awesome people. You guys are so great, you know. Haven't had a single negative thing said on there, so I love that. Not like it really matters, but you know, it's wonderful when it's a positive space. So I really do appreciate that. But yeah, so I've been working on my health and fitness journey. I've been doing it now for like 3 weeks consistently. So like I use an app called MyFitnessPal. I kind of monitor my calorie intake. That's always kind of worked for me in the past when I've lost weight before. And I go to the gym at least every weeknight. And so far in the 3 weeks, I've lost 3 pounds, which I'm very excited about. Weight loss for me is a very slow process. I very much have to watch what I eat, but that's for anybody. What I've come to learn is like, it's literally like 90% food and then like 10% exercise. So I do mostly cardio, but I do some weightlifting sessions. I weightlifted a lot before, but I wanted to get my body a little bit more toned down before I really started toning it up. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know if that makes sense to you guys, but yeah, I've considered kind of like vlog style bringing you along kind of on a weekly or bi-weekly basis with my fitness journey, just kind of maybe showing you guys what I eat and like taking you, you know, to the gym if I go like at a different time, because sometimes when I go it's extremely crowded at about 5 o'clock. But I don't know, you guys, let me know if that's something that you want to see, if you think that's something you'd be interested in, or maybe would help you if you're on your own kind of fitness journey. I don't know, I wouldn't mind doing it. It would be, I don't know how exciting it would be. It could be something we try for a temporary basis, just because I do go to work during the day, so like there's only so much I can show you while I'm there. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on that. If it's, you totally don't want to see it, you're not gonna hurt my feelings. I don't know if I ever told you, but I literally just used this color. I'm a mess. All up there, and I'm actually gonna take the same brush, and now I'm gonna use the darkest one and do just a little bit on the outer corner. I don't want to do nothing too crazy, but you know, just a little something. So yeah, you see what I'm saying, you guys? Holy cow, look at that. So beautiful. These shadows blend so freaking well, and as you can see, I've literally used 2 brushes. So I'm just gonna take my E40 and just kind of real quick get it on like this. Just kind of slap it on like that. Hit it on the underneath one time. Like, it's just so simply pretty. Ooh, girl, there she is. You ever just like get kind of a good set of your makeup on? You're like, oh, there's my bitch. There she is. She was hiding, but she's here now. And we're not even finished, you know what I'm saying? So coffee break. Okay, so now I'm going to do my lashes. I think I'm actually, I immediately pulled out my bad gal bang, but I think I'm gonna try this Grande Drama lash. I got this in my January BoxyCharm, which I think you will see, I think you will have seen well before this video, so I will link my BoxyCharm video up here. But I haven't tried this yet, since I opened it a few days ago, so I want to see what's up, and I figure here is the time, because if for some reason you do get to see this video, if it does make it on the internet, then you will see kind of like a first impressions of this product. So let us see how this works. I think if you don't want your lashes to look so in your face and you like a more kind of subtle, like just enhance your lashes, not make them look too long or too thick, then you may actually really like this. And if you're trying to grow your lashes, if it does what it claims to do in that department, then this could also probably be something good for you, since it's supposed to kind of help you while you wear it, kind of a thing. So I don't know, maybe something for you to check out. I definitely don't hate it. Like, I didn't put it on and was like, yeah, no. So I definitely don't think it's that bad. Moving along into blush. Let us see what kind of blush. Let's put under the blush palette, y'all. Oh, you know, I have my Becca and Jaclyn Hill, and I think what I'm going to do is use this one in the middle here, which is Amaretto. So I'm going to use this one right here and pop this on the cheeks. Got a little bit of highlighter up in it. That's all right. That's pretty. So I'm going to use Prosecco Pop, which is funny because like in this container, this definitely looks like it's champagne pop, but like the way it's written, girl, I don't know. I'm going to use whatever color this is. It could be champagne pop, it could be Prosecco Pop. I'm going to use it. One of the best highlighters ever. If you have never tried Becca's champagne pop, literally probably one of the first highlighters I ever fell in love with. Now, Obviously, as many of you guys know, the Reezy highlighter has won out for me since then. That's probably my favorite highlighter. And am I crazy, or did they totally get like rid of that? Like, is that no longer able to be purchased? Because y'all, I will be using that stuff as it expires. Like, I don't even care, because that is the world's best highlighter. So what about this? This is really dark. Let us see. Oh, it could be a whole mood. Just like that. Let us see. I haven't used this in a long time. This, by the way, is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Plum. So this is really nice. I've had this for quite some time. I do quite like it. I will say that this does have a more drying type of liquid lipstick feel. I know a lot of you guys really don't like that feeling. It's not my favorite feeling, but like if the liquid lipstick really lasts and the color is very opaque, I'll kind of let it slide, if you will. I will say that like this is not my favorite formula because of that. Like, I highly recommend Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Dose of Colors Cosmetics, and who else do I absolutely love for liquid lips? Those would I say probably my two favorites. Kylie is a close kind of like second, but she is a little bit drying as well. This is really nice. For drugstore, I think the color is wonderfully opaque, but it does give you that kind of like it's cementing to your lips kind of a feeling, which if you don't like that, you're not gonna like this, but I definitely don't think it's a bad one. So yeah, here we go. Boom, this is our look for today, you guys. We are not going anywhere. We are going to film a few more videos. Yeah, you guys, that is all for this video. This is the final makeup look. I actually really like it. I love that I use this plum lip shade. That's really doing something for me right now. But so yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to see me do more get ready with me's, let me know. Feel free to give me like some tips or some topics to talk about in another one if you want to see me do it, because I know that was probably the most awkward part, and that'll probably be what determines whether or not you actually get to see this, if I'm totally weird in it. What can I say? But yeah, you guys, I really do appreciate you hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And you can come follow me on Instagram as well at Alyssa and Pope. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!